Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing some mountain biking. In this video I'm going to be going down steep wooden features, steep gravelly hills, and going over some jumps. Let's get riding. This was my first time down and I didn't really know the trail, so I went quite slow. From this angle you can't really see how steep it was. This is my first time going down the wooden feature. Now let's see it in slow-mo. Now let's go down it again. This time hopefully I'll go a bit faster. This should be my fastest time yet. And now a jump at the end. Make sure to watch my next video where there'll be more thrills and spills. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.